How to use notifications on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to use the notifications on Android, first of all launch the settings application on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on notifications and control center. So here you can select what kind of notifications you would want on your lock screen. So as you tap on lock screen, you'll be able to see the notifications that you would receive or which app you would get the notifications on your lock screen. You can select your format by tapping on format and select any of this. You can either tap on show notification and content or show notification but hide content or don't show lock screen notifications at all. Next, you can just go back and tap on floating notifications. You can select on hide temporarily or do anything as such for now. Now go back and then tap on the badges application or the option over here. You can select notification badges for different applications over here as well. Now go back and tap on notification shade. You can select whichever version or the style that you would want and that is more convenient for you. Afterwards, tap on the control center style and you can select whichever model is more efficient for you. Then tap on the status bar and you can show whichever is your option. So you can toggle on the show notification icons and then show career when device is locked and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.